origami? What is it and why are we doing it? Origami is the Japanese art of folding paper into decorative shapes. That's by definition. I like trying new things. I can vividly remember myself doing it in like primary school and the younger years of high school. Remember being obnoxiously bad at it. So I thought I'd revisit those memories of failure and see if I'm any better at it and see if my, what do you call these? Hands, of course, but see if my fine motor skills are any better than what they were all those years ago. But I'm gonna start with something easy, and depending on how well that goes, I might do something a little bit hard. I've got myself, see look, no folds in it. I've not tried anything. I've got myself a bit of A4 bit of paper. It's a fresh piece. My dad's gonna be upset if he sees this, so sorry. It's for a video, it's for a good reason. He loves using the same bit of paper 53 times. I'm just like not into that. So we got a freshie. It's called How to Fold an Easy Original Jumping Frog. So it's not only a decorative bit of paper, but it also has some sort of functionality, which I think, you know, that's what I really want out of paper folding. I want something that I can use too. So let the games begin. I'll start with square bit of paper. That looks pretty square to me. All right. With the white side up. I'm gonna assume they meant that you need colored paper. I didn't read the start of the instructions, so I'm gonna guess. All right, so horizontally first. Horizontal is this way because of the horizon. See, I know that. Vertical. Surprisingly, we're off to a good start. This way, along the dotted line, along the existing crease, just like you're making a water bomb. What? A water bomb base? What's a water? So, oh, okay, hang on. Fold the left side of the paper towards the center along the dotted line. What do they mean? How do I fold that bit? It's like stuck. I feel like I have to cut it, but they haven't said anything. Like they want this bit to go like half this and then half that. We're cutting it. They haven't said so, but am I gonna cut the whole thing or just half? I missed something, surely. That's fully joined. Like there's no, oh, we're gonna improv a little bit of an incision. I regret that. I regret it. Maybe, oh no, the whole thing goes in, fuck it. They could be a little bit more specific. It's not like I'm good at this oregano. I'm lost. So you kind of got, I'll give you a 360 view of the shambles that I've created. It's all a bit fucked, isn't it? They're not very good at instructions on origami.me. You only care about yourself. Where? Origami.me. More like origami. You don't care about me. It kind of, sorry. It's gone from this to that, and there's literally nothing to show you. Well, from this one to this one, it doesn't show you anything, and then from this one to that one, it doesn't show you anything. So I'm literally just, I don't know how specifically to do it. I'm just trying to follow. Yo, what the hell? Goodness, so rude. I feel so stupid. Which, I mean, it's not the origami's fault, but it doesn't help. Can't even see what I'm doing right now. That ain't it. That's not it. I'm still not. Dang it. fun. And then this goes in here. Oh no, hang on. That goes in there. Doesn't look like a back leg. I think these are the legs, really. Hang on. Ooh, hang on. Plot twist. I've got a tail, which I can't remember. Like, I think the last time a frog has a tail is like when it's actually a tadpole. I can't remember seeing many frogs. I hate to say it without tails. How's mine got wings? Or are they supposed to be the arms? Oh, right. Okay, hang on. Man, my frog, it looks sore. It does not look like it's having a good time. Completed traditional origami jumping frog. I beg to differ. That's not completed. We're gonna test her out. You know, this is the head. These are the legs that were wings. This is, you know, that's probably a problem. It's got a tail and legs. Although I would agree it's not right. I did not understand, nor did I successfully complete this origami. However, it is supposed to be able to jump. And it bloody does. That's successful to me. If the function of the frog works, well then it's a frog. How rude is my old boy making all this noise while I'm trying to fucking film? So rude. I'm doing important things here. As we're all aware, it doesn't take long to boost my confidence or, you know, enhance my ego. So I'm gonna move on to something slightly more complicated. I'm not going to tell you what it is. I'm just going to follow along. Exciting masterpiece at the end of it. Whack these two ones over and these out a bit. This is fun, isn't it? A little bit. It's a little bit exciting. What could it be? What's functional but also great looking? Am I supposed to fold something? How does it so quickly turn to shit? There's a bit of an opening option. Anyone have any, like, ideas of what it could be? No? Ta-da! The grand reveal. It's a crown, if you couldn't already work that out. I mean, it's everything that I could ever want and more, really. Like, it's stylish, it looks good from a few different angles. If you secure it with a little bobby pin, it's not gonna go anywhere. Functional, this is probably the best one yet, I reckon. This is up there with the best. I reckon it would work for either a small child or an animal. Probably better, but I mean, if you had a bit of coloured paper and, you know, if you had a fancy dress and you really needed, you know, something that was going to pop off, this is it. This is the one. It's a vibe. Just a bit of a close-up. I'm living my princess dreams. What a vibe. All right, well, I mean, success, really, isn't it?